In today's video, we're going to be asking a student from our VEST course some interesting questions and find out what they've been up to at our academy. Welcome! At Ambitious Academy, we are dedicated to bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. We offer hands-on training and equip our students with the latest skills and techniques to excel in today's competitive landscape. Visit us at 2 Macro Place, Sunny Rock, Germiston, or contact us at info@ambitious.co.za. Today, we are joined by a student who just completed our VEST course, a 10-day hands-on course designed to help you master mobile shorts, from basic setup to advanced post-production only using a mobile phone. The course offers essential gear, storyboarding, lighting, audio, dynamic shooting, pro editing, and much more. Come meet this month's guest speaker and enroll at vest.co.za. At the end of this video, we'll be looking at our students' skills before and after the VEST course.
Okay, I can. Right, my name is Kudok Shondan and I'm a recent graduate in information technology. And I'm in the new test here today.
So, what's the silliest video idea you might try after this?
So let's see. Maybe I'll take the sunrise. Yeah. I think that will be like interesting or something.
If you could shoot a mobile video with any celebrity, who would it be and why?
To build Aries, the rapper Aries, because he's my favorite artist. Yeah.
What is the goal you're chasing with this new learned video skill?
Cool. I haven't decided yet.
Okay, so you just want to make random videos with rappers? That's always a good one. What's the coolest thing you've learned so far and you can't wait to show it off?
It's to add the subtitles on the videos. And the background voices and all that. I think that would be like cool or something.
So if your video had a theme song, what would it be and why?
I'm not thinking of any at the moment. Maybe Don't Worry About Bob Marley. Don't Worry About Bob Marley. Yeah. Maybe that one. Yeah.
If you could give your future self one piece of advice after mastering this course,
I don't know.
any advertising shout-outs?
None. I don't know.
So you don't want them to stalk you on Facebook or Instagram?
I don't have Facebook and Instagram.
Oh. Okay, that's good. Thanks.
How can you create stunning, full-color prints on any fabric? Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use DTF print to print pictures or colors on any fabric. What is the DTF print? You may ask, well, the DFT printer is a type of digital printer designed for printing designs onto special heat transfer films. These films are then applied to various substrates, such as fabrics, using heat and pressure. Without wasting your time, let's get to it. On the software, you import whatever image or design you want to print, then resize it or add some flitters if you want. After that, you send it to the machine to print it. Now we are printing our picture. After printing, we add a little powder before heating it. We put our picture inside the oven. Now here comes the interesting part. We print our picture to our shirt.
Can you repeat the question?